Jai Gurudev students. Now children, let's start this next topic of chapter number 4. You know that we have already studied about many products from animals in this chapter. Okay, previously we studied about the cattle and their materials, what materials we get from animals. Then I explained you poultry animals and what are the different products we get from poultry animals, and after that we studied about sea animals. Okay, so up to sea animals we completed that day. Now today let's start with the sheep. What is the next topic? Next is sheep. So you know children, sheep is a very important animal because it also provides us many useful products or useful items. Okay, so let's read what we get from sheep. Sheep produce a wide variety of items that people use, like cows. Sheep produce milk that is safe for people to drink. Do you know children, the sheep provide us milk also. Okay, have you heard before? I think you have not heard before that sheep also provide us milk, but it is not commonly means we can use. We are not using sheep milk. It is not commonly available, but those part of our country where people are keeping sheep in their farms, there people are using sheep milk also, as we are using buffalo and cow milk. Okay, it is fit for drinking. So this milk can be made into cheese, yogurt and various other dairy products. As you know that cow milk, just like cow milk, we made many items or many products from cow milk. In the same way, sheep milk is also used to prepare all these dairy products. Okay, sheep provide meat in the form of lamb. Lamb is a baby of sheep. Okay, so lamb, in many part of the world people used to eat lamb flesh also. Okay, so for that they have written here that she provides meat in the form of lamb, because people used to eat their flesh in the form of lamb. Sheep meat is mainly consumed in Europe and the Mid East, but sheep are mainly raised in Australia and New Zealand. So children, here in our India, generally we are not using the flesh of the sheep, but in other countries where people are rearing them or people are keeping them in the sheep farms, there people used to or like to have their flesh, and these are the mainly raised countries, means those countries which rear these kind of sheep. They are Australia and New Zealand. Here people are using so much meat of this sheep. Okay, so other than meat, wool is one of the most commonly known products from sheep. You know that it is in our country also, in generally hilly areas, people keeping sheep in their farm and they domesticate them. And for what product Indians are domesticating the sheep? For this wool. Okay, we get wool from sheep. That's why this animal is important for our country also. Wool is sheep hair that is shaved off during hot weather. After processing, wool can be made into lots of different things such as shirts, socks, yarn for knitting, and tennis ball covers. And other than these products also, children, you know that wool is a very important product, and from wool we can make gloves, we can make these sweaters, that shawls also can be prepared from this product wool, and socks. Many of the items we can prepare from this wool, and we get from market also. Ready-made items also available in the market which are prepared by the use of this wool. Okay, so that's why wool is a very important product. And how they are preparing wool, that as you know children, wool we prepared or we get from sheep, because these are the hair of sheep. And first those who domesticate this animal, they shaved off the animals, and after shaving the animals they remove the hair. After that they wash them and make them separate, means long hair they make separate, and small hair they made separate. And after that they prepare thread from these hair. Means thread means that yarn we can prepare from this wool, or we can say from these hair. Okay, so that yarn we use for knitting or for the spinning purposes, to make cloths or to make sweaters or these shawls, socks, gloves, various items which we used in our winter season. Okay, so here they have written tennis ball cover also, means lot of items, different items we can make from this wool product. So here let's read next para. After slaughter, sheep skins are turned into leather used in car upholstery. This word already we have studied in the previous video, that here they are talking about the sheep skin, means leather also can be prepared from the skin of sheep. Okay, and after beating this skin, means after the death of sheep or after killing the sheep, they take out their skin, and after beating and after washing with many acids, then they come to use in the form of leather. Okay, and when leather is prepared, then from its leather they are used car upholstery. Means this word means to make seat cover of car. Okay, from this leather we can make seat cover of car, which are so durable, for long time we can use them. They cannot be torn easily. Okay, so clothing and shoes, means other than these car covers or car upholstery, clothing and shoes also can be prepared from the sheep skin, or we can say leather. Okay, so The bones, hooves, and horns of sheep are also used to make products such as gelatin, tape, brushes, and pet food ingredients. This thing already we studied in the previous part also, means about other animals. So sheep's bones and hooves or horns means सींग उसके जो होते हैं, और पैर, hooves means उसके जो पैर होते हैं, और bones, you know that these three parts of sheep, they are also used to make gelatin. Okay, gelatin we have studied na, they boil these all the parts, and after boiling we can make gelatin product from sheep also. And tape, brushes, and pet food ingredients means many pet food ingredients also we can prepare by the use of this gelatin, because gelatin is a protein containing substance. Okay children, so many other kind of substances also we can make from it, tape, like brushes. Okay, so these kind of all the items we can prepare from sheep.